Hello friends, so today I'll be teaching you guys how I made this fabric rose flower. So I use Organdi fabric. So I measure the length of the Organdi fabric 31 inches while the width is 5 inches, as you can see from the video. So you take the edge to and flip it to the other edge, just the way I'm doing. You flip it to the other edge and then you stitch with a loose stitch, a gather stitch, okay? So you stitch, and when you get to the other edge, you lift up your needle and then you stitch. As you're stitching, you find out that the fabric is folding, just the way it's folding from the video that you're watching. So make sure that you stitch it properly using a loose stitch, a loose gathered stitch to the outer edge of the fabric. So once you are done stitching it, then you gather it together. You gather the fabric together, just as you can see me doing in the video. So once you are done gathering it, it will look exactly like this. So after gathering it, and then you start folding it the way I'm folding it, this way. You fold the fabric this way. You keep folding it. Remember to hold your needle and thread. You use your needle and thread, a matching thread, and then as you're folding, you are stitching it. As you're folding, you are tacking it. You are tacking it and putting the fabric together in place, okay? So you keep doing this until you get to the end of the gathered fabric. Remember I said I use Organdi fabric, and the length of the Organdi fabric that I use is 31 inches while the width is 5 inches. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and put on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And please try as much as possible to share, comment and like. So these things will make me to post more videos. It will encourage me to post more videos, to actually know that my videos are being viewed and is valued. So once as you're doing it, you'll be gathering it just the same way I'm doing it. You'll be gathering it and then you tack it. You gather, you fold it, then you tack. You gather, you fold it, then you tack. So you keep doing this. It's actually very easy and simple. You can use this fabric rose to design any dress that you like, any design. You can use it to make any design you like. As for me, I use this to make an off-shoulder ball dress for a child. So as you can see, you gather it, and once you are done flipping, folding and then tacking it, it will form the exact rose fabric flower that you're looking for, and it actually looks very, very perfect. I mean, very perfect. It's beautiful. So as you can see, that's the outcome, the end result of the rose. These are the ones I made, and then the ones I made, they are all beautiful. So I made them and used them to make an off-shoulder ball dress. As you can see, this is the off-shoulder ball dress. For the lacing at the back of this ball dress, I'll be uploading a video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.